Today we bring in a crew for demolition on a 3-unit rehab property at the west side of Chicago. The crew is working tearing the hallway down, removing bad joist that was destroyed, leaving a hole from the roof to the basement. To power their tools and create light throughout the space, the crew utilized an electrical generator. Now that the bad joists are removed, the crew sends out to Menards for replacement joists. Choosing the right wood ensures that every plank and beam met their exacting standards. With the materials secured, the real work could begin, as Lashley Construction Group set out to breathe new life into yet another property. The crew gathers around their latest challenge, bringing in new joists for their ambitious rehabilitation project. With muscles flexed and spirits high, the crew works in harmony as they carefully maneuver each sturdy beam in. With precision and power, the crew sets to work, wielding their crowbars with relentless determination. With each swing, walls and ceilings give way, revealing the bones of the building beneath. Dust fills the air as debris falls to the ground, marking the progress of their efforts. As the demolition progresses, the Lashley Construction Group faces the daunting task of disposing of the debris. With efficiency and teamwork, the crew gathers the broken materials and carries them to the waiting dumpster. Each piece tossed aside is a testament to their dedication to the project and the community. With every trip to the dumpster, the neighborhood sees progress and the promise of renewal. As the sound of hammers and saws fills the air, the neighborhood watches with anticipation, knowing that each new joist brings them one step closer to a revitalized property and a brighter future. Despite frustration and exhaustion, the Lashley Construction Group vowed to return tomorrow, determined to continue revitalizing their community. They understood that meaningful change takes time, and they were committed to seeing the project through to the end.